Everyone, I am going to explain about flip-flops. There are four types of flip-flops: SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, T flip-flop. First, SR flip-flop. The circuit is used to store the single data bit in the memory circuit. So the SR flip-flop has a total of three inputs. Example: S and R and current output Q. This output Q is related to the current history of state. The term flip-flop relates to the actual operation of the device, as it can be flipped to a logic state or ploughed back to the opposing logic is a state. First, the set state. The input R is set to false or 0 and the input S is set to true or 1. The NAND gate Y as an input 0, which will produce the output Q dash 1. The reset state. R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 0. One of the inputs of NAND gate X is 0 and its output is 1. Characteristic table. Clock pulse input S and R, present state Q, next state Q plus 1. JK flip-flop. The JK flip-flop is basically a gated SR flip-flop with the addition of a clock input circuitry that prevents the invalid output condition that can occur when both inputs S and R are equal to logic level 1. Due to this additional clock input, the JK flip-flop has four possible input combinations: logic 1, logic 0, no change and toggle. Same as for the latch clock input J and K, output Q, Q dash. D flip-flop. The D-type flip-flop was constructed from a gated SR flip-flop with an inverter added between the S and the R inputs to allow for a single data input. Then the single data input labeled D and is used in place of the set signal, and the inverter is used to generate the complementary reset input, thereby making a level sensitive D-type flip-flop from a level sensitive SR latch, as now S equal to D and R equal to not D as shown. Clock pulse input D, output Q. When input is 0, output is 0. When input is 1, output is also 1. When input is 0, output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. T flip-flops. The T flip-flop is the simplified version of JK flip-flop. It is obtained by connecting the same input T to both inputs of JK flip-flop. It operates with only one positive clock transition or negative clock transition. Here the inputs of JK flip-flop are considered as J equal to T and K is equal to T. In order to utilize the modified JK flip-flop for two combinations of input, here Q of T and Q of T plus 1 are present state and next state respectively. So T flip-flop can be used for one of these two functions, such as hold and complement of present state, based on the input condition. When positive transition of clock signal is applied. Characteristic table. Q of T of Q to 1. When input is 0, output is also 0. When Q of T is 1, Q of T plus 1 is 1. When Q of T is 0, Q of T plus 1 is 1. When Q of T is 1, Q of T plus